Watch this chart. See that candle? A tight, flat range across several candles, then it just rips clean above it on a volume spike. I did not draw this. A free app that I built using Claude Code found it the moment it closed, and it all took was just one prompt in Claude Code. This is a breakout stock screener. It scans 4-hour charts across the entire US and Indian markets, draws a chart for every stock that qualifies, and highlights the exact candle that broke out automatically. 2 markets, 0 subscription, 1 prompt. I built this initial app using just 1 prompt, but later on I actually enhanced it further to add functionality related to auto refresh on the given time frame that you have selected. Now the benefit of that is that it automatically screens out all the stocks that meets the criteria and provides a complete list, refreshing every 1 hour, 4 hour, or whatever time frame you select. Then I also enhanced it to add the configurable parameters panel to this breakout scanner, just like you see on the screen, right? So you are free to actually tweak or provide your own input parameters and change the values as per your needs. You can even select the stocks based on the market cap. Like for example, all the stocks in small cap, all the stocks in medium cap, or in large cap. And then I also added a feature where I added the multi-time frame selector. For example, like you can have this screener select the stock on 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, so on and so forth. And the cherry on the cake, I even added a Telegram alert to this breakout scanner. So as soon as any stocks comes into this screener, you will get an alert signal on your Telegram mobile app. And the benefit of that is that you need not to look at the screen entire day, watching for those breakouts. You can do your own activities, and as soon as an alert comes, you can just take a calculated decision that you want to do with those screened stocks. But before I show you how it works, I have to admit something. I gave Claude Code 8 rules to build this. 2 of them were completely wrong. Quick heads up before we dive in. This is for education and research only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is a buy or sell call. Always do your own research before acting on anything you see here. Hi, I am Nitin. You are watching the AI University. I have spent years building real-world machine learning and AI applications, and Claude Code is the tool that genuinely changed how fast I can ship full applications. Here is the plan. First, the 8 rules, exactly as written. Then the stress test. 2 of these rules look perfectly reasonable on paper. They are not. I will show you exactly why and exactly how to fix both. Then 1 complete prompt, copy paste, ready. That builds the entire screener, including a chart that highlights the exact breakout candle for every stock that qualifies. And finally, a live run. India tab, USA tab, real breakout charts, real results. By the end, you won't just have a working screener, you will know exactly why every single rule is shaped the way it is. And you will be able to spot breakouts across 2 markets in under a minute. So now let's move on to the rules. So rule number 1, consolidation range. I have kept consolidation range under 12%, measured from open and close of recent candles. Basically, how tight is this stock coiled before it moves? The tighter the compression, the more explosive the breakout when supply and demand finally resolve. Rule number 2, the breakout candle must close at least 2% above the top of that range, not just touching it. So it confirms the breakout is real and not a weak fake out that snaps back into the range. Rule number 3, the breakout candle's body, open to close, must be at least 4%. Body size measures conviction, the distance price actually committed to, not just a spike. A large body means buyers held control for the entire candle, not just a moment. Rule number 4, market cap above $50 million. So this parameter screens out micro caps and penny stocks where a single large order can fabricate a breakout. Now this value might change for the Indian stocks. So for Indian stocks, you can put a filter like market cap greater than 3 crore. Rule number 5, relative volume between 1x and 2x. So volume is the fuel. A breakout on unusually high volume signals institutional participation. Smart money moving in size, not retail noise. Rule number 6, average daily volume above 500,000 to million shares. So this ensures that the stock has enough liquidity to enter and exit without causing slippage. Thin stocks can break out on almost zero participation, and again for Indian stocks this value you can change according to your needs. Rule number 7, price within 5 to 10% of a 20-day, 50-day or all-time high. So stocks near their recent highs have already proven upward momentum. A breakout from a stock already in strong trend has higher follow-through probability than one breaking out from a long downtrend. And finally, the rule number 8, price trading above both the 20-day and 50-day moving average. This confirms the broader trend is up. You want the short-term and medium-term trend aligned. Breakout against the trend fail far more often than those trading with it. So honestly, 6 of these are exactly right. Tight range, real breakout, volume confirmation, liquidity trend, solid checklist. But 2 of them are quietly broken. And here is the scary part, they are not obviously broken. You could run this screener for months and just think the market is quiet. Here is what most people get wrong when they hand an AI a rule list like this. You write numbers that look right on a chart, but nobody validates whether those numbers actually work at the specific time frame you are scanning. So the rule 3 says that the breakout candle's body must be at least 4%. Here is the problem. 4% sounds decisive, right? So on a 4-hour chart, though a 4% candle means the stock averaged just 1% per hour across the entire window, that's not conviction. That's a drift with a good closing minute. For a genuine 4-hour breakout, one where real money is moving, you want at least 5% body. Keep it at 4% and the screener doesn't break. It silently includes weak setups right alongside the real ones. And you would never know. You would just assume nothing good is breaking out today, right? So the fix is bump the threshold to 5% on a 4-hour time frame. That's it. Now rule 5, relative volume between 1x and 2x. This one surprised me even more. That 2x cap is the problem. Think about it. If a stock is breaking out on a 3x, 4x, 5x normal volume, that's not a noise. That's the most explosive setup on your entire list. And rule 5 as written throws it out. So the fix for that one is drop the cap entirely. Relative volume becomes at least 1.5x. No ceiling, more volume is never the problem. So in order to build this web app, you need to first have the Visual Studio Code, which is a code editor, and you can download this Visual Studio Code if you don't have one from this website by going through this link and downloading the Windows available option. Once you download and install this Visual Studio Code, you will get a screen like this. Now head over to extension section where you can search for Claude Code. So you will see this Claude Code extension, which has roughly 14 million downloads right now. I have already installed it on my system. So once you do that, you just need to log in with your credentials and you would be able to use the Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. Once you do that, you need to come on to a file explorer section where you would need to select a specific folder on your computer, because in order to work on Claude Code, you need to have one folder setup so that all the related files and necessary code will reside in that particular folder itself. It is a prerequisite before building any application. Alright, so here is my folder that I have added, which is Claude Breakout Screener on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I have this Claude Code chat opened up. So now first let me change the model to Opus 4.8. I think I have already selected it. So Opus 4.8 is not available free. You need to buy a subscription, Claude Code subscription for that. I think it's approximately around $20 per month. So now let me copy paste the prompt and I will read through it. So here I'm asking Claude to build a breakout stock screener web app. I have provided the backend details here, then creating the two API endpoints where it will accept and return the list of top 50 tickers passing all the 8 check, and another one for the chart where it will return the consolidation range values for charting. Then here I'm using the Yahoo Finance library for fetching the data for both US and India. One thing to remember that this is not the real-time API, folks. There are delays in this API, and generally for production use cases, to capture the live data, you need to enable your broker API. Like for example, in India it's Zerodha, in USA there is one called Alpaca, and there are several other API platforms or the broker platforms who actually provides the API. So you need to use those API. This is just for showcasing that what are the possibilities. Okay, then I'm using the screening logic here, are 8 checks that I explained earlier, all of them here. From the front end perspective, I am using React White and Tailwind CSS for building this entire application, and here are the UI structure details, like what will be in the header, 2 pill style tabs, one for India, one for US. Each tab will show results table plus chart panel, right, so and so forth. Now if you want this entire prompt, then you can find the same absolutely free, as I have provided the link for the same in the description section. So you can access this initial prompt from there. So now let me press this submit button and wait for some time. I will return back once the application gets developed. So after a few minutes, it has created the app. On the left hand side, you can see that these are the files that it has created. Now on the right hand side, you can see that it has it tried to find out the valid stock after those goes through all these 8 checks. So it is showing that there are 0 results, and which is a legitimate, not a bug, because this particular condition is not meeting. We have all the other conditions met, but this one was not met. That's why there were 0 results. So I will try to tweak this a little bit in order to show you the results. So let me scroll down, and you can see that it has mentioned the breakout stock screener build and verify. Now it is asking me to run these commands, which I will ask Claude only to run these commands. So let me copy these, and it is also saying that if I want to actually see the populated results during testing, I need to temporarily widen the universe to mid caps or relax the check number 3, which was this one, right? Breakout candle greater than 5%. So I need to relax that a bit. And then it is asking me if I want him to add a small cap watch list tab for that. So I will say relax the percentage for check number 3 so that stocks appear in the screener. So thing is, these 8 checks are quite tight. Whatever stocks you will get, right, those will have a high chance or probability of breaking out, although not a guarantee, but those will have high probability of breaking out. But let's try to relax this condition, and then I'm asking run these commands yourself, and then I'm pasting the command. So let's press enter, and I will come back once these gets executed. So a few moments later, Claude Code provided a URL where we can see this working app. Dark background, emerald accents, 2 tabs at the top, one for India, another one for USA, and a scan button to scan the stocks that meets the criteria. You can see that we are on USA tab right now, because right now USA markets are opened. So it has provided us 3 screened stock here, as you can see on the screen, with price, breakout percentage, breakout size, relative volume, so on and so forth. And down below you can see the corresponding charts as well. So for the stock V is the ticker symbol of Visa. We can see that there is a consolidation channel shown in this light red color, okay, and the consolidation formed, and here you can see that it is breaking out currently. And if you want to open the charts for the other 2, then you can just click on the drop down here. So let's say I want to select the SCHW ticker, which is nothing but Charles Schwab stock. Here also there is a clear channel or the consolidation which is shown here, and now here it is breaking out at this moment, correct? So this single emerald green candle breaking clean above it on the volume spike or relative volume as 1.91x, and it is highlighted here, correct? So you are not just reading a table row, you are seeing the exact 4-hour setup, the screener caught, consolidation, breakout, so on and so forth. So every single results here pass all the 8 checks at once. And obviously we actually relax the check number 3 a bit, but you can follow your own criterias or guidelines. So with 8 checks, it's kind of a tight criteria. Now please note that I gave 8 criterias to get the high conviction, high probability stocks, but you can always remove some of those criterias to pick and choose, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 criterias. It's up to you. The idea was to show you the possibilities. So this application in front of you is built using that initial single prompt I gave to Claude Code. Now I added few more features such as auto refresh for any new breakouts every hour or every 15 minutes or every day, as well as a feature related to providing the configurable parameter panel where you can adjust the values. Then I also added a feature for multi time frame selector, as well as Telegram alert section where you can provide your Telegram access token and chat ID to start receiving alerts on your mobile Telegram app. Now if you want all those follow-up prompts that I gave to modify this application or add those features, as well as the entire source code for that enhanced application that I showed you in the beginning, then you can head over to my school community. Link is in the description section as well as in the pinned comment. But the initial prompt for this application is available absolutely free. Link is in the description section again. I would like to highlight 2 things before you build this. First, Yahoo Finance data is free, but it's not real time and it's not official. The 4-hour data is aggregated from 1-hour candles and carries a delay. This is a research tool, not a live execution feed. Second, every chart and every row in this table is a stock that matched a rule set. That's it. Not a buy list, not a signal, not a recommendation of any kind. What you do with this filtered list is entirely your own research, your own decision every time. What this screener gives you is a starting point. So instead of manually checking hundreds of charts for tight range, volume spike, clean trend, you get a short list and a chart in second across 2 markets. The decision stays entirely with you. Now, if you want to know how to create insider trading tracker to spot insider trading stocks, then watch this video. If you found this video useful, then please subscribe to our channel as it gives us a lot of motivation to come up with such videos. Still 95% viewers watching our videos have not subscribed yet. Please like and share with your family, friends and colleagues. So that's it for today. Signing off now. See you in the next one.